Okay, this is chapter 3 from your book, and the name of the chapter is Motion in a Straight Line. In class 9, you have learned about rest and motion. A body is said to be at rest if its position does not change with time. For example, a book lying on a table is in a state of rest. Motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time. For example, a car moving on a straight road. At 1 second, the car is at A. At 2 seconds, the car is at B. At 3 seconds, it is at C. At 4 seconds, it is at D. So it means the car is changing its position with time. So this type of situation is said to be in motion. So a car is in motion because it's changing its positions with time. But to specify about the motions of a body, we require a set of coordinate system and as well as a reference point. So for convenient, we choose the coordinate system as a three mutually perpendicular axes like x, y, and z. The point of intersection of these three axes is called the origin, and this origin serves as a reference point. Okay. And if you place a clock on this reference system, then the clock together with this coordinate system is known as frame of reference. Okay. Okay. Let us consider the motions of an object in this frame of reference. As the object move, then it move with respect to this reference point, or I can say with respect to the origin. Suppose at any instance of time, the object is at this point. So when the object is at this point, then you need to specify what is the positions of the object along x, along y, and along z. So that position at this time, let's say it is given as small x, small y, small z. So these x, y, z stands for the coordinates, or I can say the positions of the object along x, y, and z axis. Okay. Now, rest and motion, they are relative to each other. Okay. For example, if you consider again a case when a car is moving along a straight road, if a person standing on the roadside, he observes the car is in motion because with respect to this person, then this is the frame of reference. This is the origin. Now, as the car move, okay, as the car changes its position, I mean with the passing of time, the car changes its position. At 1 second, the car is here. At 2 seconds, the car is at B. At 3 seconds, the car is at C. At 4 seconds, the car is at D, and so on. So, with respect to this reference point, the car is changing its position. So then, with respect to this frame, the car is in motion. Okay. But if a passenger is sitting inside a car, then let me consider this is the frame of reference of this body of a car. Now, a passenger which is sitting inside a car, he will say that though the car is moving, but with respect to this frame of reference, the car seems to be at rest because as the car move, as the car move this side, this frame of reference also is going along this side. So because with respect to this, there is no changing in the positions of the car with respect to this frame of reference, then a passenger sitting inside a car will say that this car is at rest. Okay. All right. So this is just the introductions about rest and motion, and in the next video we shall see about the path length or the distance and displacement.